Alright, next up we've got something a little bit different. Here's the box that it's in, designated special lamp. In different languages. Got French, German, special lamp. Let's keep it on the English side. Now then, many years ago, I remember these. Well, let's have a look at the lamp first. Get some ideas what it is. There's the lamp in my hand, which seems to be a favourite place to show lamps off. It also gives an idea of the size, without me measuring with linking rulers, inches or the metric. There's the lamp, silver light. I won't be lighting it up, but I will be showing you the bulb. Have a look at the base. Well, that's a bit different. Now, to the American viewers of this video, they will say, oh yes, well this is quite a common lamp, which in America it is. And I've often spoken about these. But in Europe, it did appear here. Obviously, there's the lamp, so it must have appeared. It's a 3-light lamp. We look at the etch, which is very, very good. You can't get a better etch than that. I wish all the lamps I got had an etch this good. It's 60, 100, 160 watts. Has 2 filaments, one at 60, one at 100. And you can, first switch turns on the 60. The next switch removes the 60 and puts the 100 in operation. Hence the 2 contacts. And further switch would bring on the 160 watt, which is the 2 filaments connected, so you'd be running the 60 and the 100 to give you the 160. Made in Holland. There's the code, a little star and 3F. You've got the voltage 240, 250 volts, and obviously the name Philips. Now, I would think this was possibly made also in the 70s. It might have been the 60s, 70s. And they tried this system over here and presumably on the continent as well. What they did, as I said, the Americans have always had 3-light lamps. Some of them had a mogul base. In fact, I've got one outside on my lamp, which I picked up over here, not from America, but it did originate. It originated from America, but care of a lovely boot sale, I picked it up here, rewired it, and it's working a treat. Anyhow, they did try this system in Britain and on the continent, and these 2 lamps were either Osram or Philips. Possibly they both come out of the same stable in Holland. With the lamp you'd have got an adapter arrangement which you could screw this lamp into. There would be the 3-way switch on this adapter, and the adapter I believe was made in 2 types. One type had a normal bayonet, so if you had a lamp that you wanted to put this 3-way lamp in, you just plug the adapter in and you went from there. Inside this adapter was the 3-way holder, which was made by Leverton, which is a very well known American brand. Or The other alternative, you replace the BC part with a screw threaded part which you could actually physically screw onto the lamp, so it was threaded, so you wouldn't need to go direct, using that direct on the end of the lamp, more like the American ones. But this was in Bakelite. I know the American ones are brass with a cardboard innards. I don't think that was allowed over here, so this is why they brought out the Bakelite version. Anyhow, that's the lamp. I'm not going to show you the light. I haven't got on hand that type of socket, and I'm not going to chance it in the normal socket. So there's the lamp. Give you an idea of the size again. Hands are good measuring systems. Years ago they were used to measure the height of a horse. A hand equalled 4 inches. So there we are, showing the lamp in my hand. Once again, thanks for watching. Anyone, any questions, please ask. As I say, I do remember these. I only wish I had bought more examples, but this one I got came, well, it appeared in the collection, so obviously a very good sender or collector sent it to me, and I'm very, very grateful. Whoever it is, thank you. So once again, any questions, ask, and we will see what is up next. Thanks for watching. Thank you.